you don't need to preheat. Ooh. She's an angry elf. Oh my God. Good thing we decided to do this today though. This stuff, it's getting heavy. And it's coming off fairly easy, so that's good. There. All done. Home on the range. Home on the range. Oh! Close. We ran her out of fuel. Jesus. Well, the fuel gauge doesn't work on it, so you never actually know. See, Eli's never runs out of fuel. His excavator. Yeah, as long as you got energy, yours runs. We got her. Don't run them out of fuel. Now she's filling. Let's drag this out the way here. Drag all this. Like a giant child. You wonder where my child gets it from. Come on, pull. Pull up there. Pull up there. I believe in you. I believe in you. That's a pretty good angle, eh? I can reach in there now. Quite a ways. Pull her out. I probably could move that table if I wasn't a lazy piece of crap, but you know how I am. Oh, I gotta watch out for that extension cord. Didn't even get it. You know. You know. Uh-huh. Little boy. Dang it. Oh, there's an extension cord. See that? Just gotta watch that. See? Now I gotta make sure I didn't tear it up. I see it. Hopefully I didn't cut it in half. Wife's gonna kill me. Mom told me to put your snow over there for your snow cave, but to get rid of this snow, I'll push that snow over there for your snow cave. Okay? I try. Usually the ground's more frozen. It's a lot easier, but fortunately, the ground is more thawed underneath this snow than if it didn't. What's up, B? Let's see what he's doing. There he is with his excavator. Let's see what this does to us. Now I'm gonna move the old bonker. Pull some of the snow out of the way with this mini, and then we'll be able to backtrack this one too. Yeah, it does that. Don't know why. Don't know why. Just leave it like that real quick, running. What is that, a bucket? Bringing buckets. I don't know what's over here. Tom. Jackass. The other driveway. It's all clean. Looking good. Holy smokes, you got your tractor out. Look, you can't even jackknife that thing. It's anti-jackknifeable. I need a trailer like that. Oh, it's fast, E. Yeah. I wonder if it'd be able to climb that hill. I wish I didn't care about my trailers like that, E. Just let's send it. Holy smokes. Well, now you got to see what goes on every single time it snows up here where we live. Every time. That's what goes down. It's about a full day's worth of work. It's not bad though when you got equipment. You got a family that lives close together. We get our stuff done. Take care of business.